Honda Civic Type R 2019. LED headlights, fog lights, daytime running lights, LED tail lights. Engine 2-liter VTEC turbocharged inline 4 cylinders. Length 4557 mm. Weight 1877 mm. Height 1435 mm. Ground clearance 132 mm. Wheelbase 2700 mm. Fuel tank capacity 47 liters. Wheel size 19-inch alloy. Front suspension dual axis start. Rear suspension multi-link. Transmission 6-speed manual. Front wheel drive. Steering type rack and pinion with power assist. Front brakes type ventilated disc. Rear brakes type disc. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Volt power outlet. Anti-lock braking system. Auto climate control with dual temp zone. Adaptive dimming control. Autonomous emergency braking. Shark fin antenna. Bucket front seats. Bluetooth connectivity. Cruise control. Cup holders front and rear. Central locking. Door hazard warning. Keyless entry. Push button start stop. Hill assist. Parking sensor. Back camera. Air condition. Heater. Crash sensor. Airbags. Lane departure warning. Low fuel warning. Multi-function display. Pedal shifters on steering wheel. Power mirrors with folding. Boot space 420 liters. Rear privacy glass. Rear spoiler. Rain sensing wipers. Rear wiper. All seats adjustable. Bottle holders front and rear. All windows power. (306 horsepower and 295 of torque). Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.